Now I'm going to teach you how to use Kami. We are going to use Kami in order to complete our word searches in class or any other PDFs that we need to mark up with either highlights, text boxes, comments, or shapes, drawings, and anything of that nature. So for our word searches that we're going to use for the male and female reproductive system, the tools we are going to use are the markup tools such as the text highlighter and the freehand highlighter. These are my personal favorites just because the text highlighter will allow us to mark horizontal words, as where our freehand highlighter will allow us to mark diagonal and vertical words. If you want, you can also use drawings or even shapes. So with the highlighters, first we need to find some words. So I'm going to take out my text highlighter and look for any horizontal words. I've noticed I see the word fracture here. All I need to do is click and drag over the word fracture, and then it will highlight it for me. I've also found another one in burn, where I would click over and highlight that word, and now it creates a highlight. From there, I can cross my words out up top. So all I need to do is take my drawing tool, and then I will cross out burn, and I would cross out fracture. Now, if I were to see a diagonal word, which I do find one, it would be first aid. All I do is take my freehand and mark it diagonally. And if I have a vertical one, I scroll down, I notice I see sprain. I take that and highlight it. If I wanted to erase these because I made a mistake, all I need to do is go to eraser. I would go to all annotations, and I would just click on my highlight. The same thing goes if you were to use drawings. So you can see up in the word bank, I was able to erase my drawings. And if you were to use shapes, you would be able to erase your shapes as well.